how to make a diamond box card. At first, take a A4 sheet. Now, take a scale and pencil and mark 5 cm of each side of the paper. Now rotate the paper and also mark 5 cm on each side. Now join the points and draw straight lines. Similarly, rotate the paper and draw straight lines. Now we will get 4 squares each side of the corners in the paper. We have to cut out the squares. Now fold the rectangles as I have shown on both sides. Now turn the paper and mark on the center of the paper, which is on 10 cm. Now fold the paper according to the marks on both sides. Now fold the corner of the rectangles into small triangles. Now fold the corners of the big rectangles into small triangles. Do the similar on the other side. Turn the paper and fold the triangles into opposite motion. Now open the paper and put the corner inside. I will show you again. Fold the triangles inside. Finally, your diamond box pop-up card is ready. I have decorated it with some pattern papers, and here it is. Thank you for being with me.